Yeah, it's okay. Oh my goodness. These people, like an over they have gone with my bag, and now ARVs Nazimira D. So I to say, brother. Hey.
What you put that?
Yeah, you right there.
Well, you see what you have.
Fiona.
When I know how I'm getting you. Let's see him. Joe, no, you want to be Zango committed. Oh, come on, tell me about Ruby. Baba, you need to get a quick piece of me. Oh, you know what?